Hello, my incredible tribe of dreamers and achievers. Today, I want to remind you of something powerful. Life has a remarkable way of working out, even when it seems impossible. Your dreams, your aspirations, they are not just whimsical fantasies. They are a glimpse into the life you were born to live, the path that leads you to your purpose. Now let me share a story with you that illustrates this beautifully. In the heart of New York City, there lived a struggling actor named Chris. He had a dream of making it big in Hollywood. For years, he auditioned for countless roles. He faced rejection after rejection. He even found himself homeless at one point. But through it all, he held on to his dream with an unshakable belief. One day, Chris received a script for a role that seemed tailor-made for him. It was his shot at Stardom. But there was a problem. He could not afford the plane ticket to Los Angeles for the audition. So, he sold his last valuable possession, a cherished typewriter, to buy the ticket. He arrived in LA with barely $1 to his name, carrying his dreams and a suitcase filled with hope. The audition was his make-or-break moment, his chance to prove himself. And guess what? He aced it. That struggling actor was Chris Pratt, now a household name for his roles in blockbuster movies like Jurassic World and Guardians of the Galaxy. His story is a testament to the power of unwavering belief and relentless determination. You see, life often tests us with setbacks and challenges, but it's how we respond to those moments that define our journey. Just like Chris, who turned his typewriter into a ticket to success, you have the ability to turn adversity into opportunity. When you face hurdles, remember this: they are not there to stop you. They are there to strengthen you. Every setback is a setup for a comeback, an opportunity for you to rise higher and go further than you've ever imagined. So, my friends, as you chase your dreams, embrace the challenges along the way. Hold on to your belief in yourself, just like Chris did. Your journey might have its share of ups and downs, but if you persist, if you stay committed, you'll discover that life has a remarkable way of working out in your favor. Your dreams are worth pursuing, and you have within you the resilience to overcome any obstacle. Believe in the incredible potential within you, just as Chris Pratt believed in himself. Stay inspired, stay relentless, stay extraordinary. This is your ally in the pursuit of greatness, signing off. Until next time, remember, life has an incredible way of working out. You chasing your dreams.